Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, I had a great question on one of my videos. Somebody asked me about changing the social media icons that are included in your secondary navbar up the top there, and also in the Divi footer down here. And to be honest, usually I just do this manually. I'd manually put in my own icons in the actual menu structure itself and not use their inbuilt ones. And the same with the footer here. Usually I just hide it and create my own custom footer and have it on all pages. But if you want to actually just change the default ones here, it's pretty simple. It does involve editing a bit of PHP, but nothing that's rocket science. I'll show you exactly how to do it, and it's pretty easy. For instance, Google Plus is going away very soon. I know we're getting a warning about it. It won't be here any longer. And although I've got the most current version of Divi installed here, they've still got it up there. And Divi's fantastic. It just keeps getting better and better. I've built so many sites with it over the years. It's crazy. If you want to take it for a test drive, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. So let's go ahead and let's change out some of these icons. I think they wanted to change the Google Plus to an Instagram and add a YouTube icon. Now what we can't do in this particular page is add another one. We're stuck to having 4, but we can change that RSS feed to a YouTube channel if we need to. So let's go ahead and do that. If we go to our dashboard, I'm actually already here. So you go down, you go to Divi, to Theme Options on the General tab, and just scroll down a little bit. And there you're going to find your Facebook, Twitter, Google, and that RSS. And they correspond to the Facebook, Twitter, Google, and RSS on both the top menu there and the footer here. And next door to them is where you put in the URL of your Facebook, Twitter, Google, or RSS feed, which is fairly self-explanatory. But we want to change the Google to, I think it was Instagram, and we want to change the RSS icon to YouTube. Now, we can't do that here. What we have to do is go into the editor and do it and fool it into thinking that these are now those. Because by default, Divi comes with all these icons built in. These are ET icons. And they've already got the Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, all kind of different icons in there. So all we have to do is change the names of these actual icons in the PHP file. So to do that, we're going to go down to Appearance. We're going to go to the Theme Editor. And you will get a warning when you click on this telling you be careful, because editing PHP can break your theme. But what we're going to do today will not do that. Okay, and once we're in here, we want to go over to the right hand side in the menu. We want to go down to Includes and hit the little arrow there. That'll open up a drop down. We want to go down to the one that says Social Icons. And once it's opened up, I just left clicked on it. Here's the code we need to edit. And don't worry, it may look a little bit scary, but really we're just going to edit a couple of lines. And if you follow along, you can't go wrong. If you're at all worried, just select the whole thing and copy it into a text pad. And if you think you've done something wrong, you can come back and paste this back in there. But if we look across, you'll see Facebook, you'll see Twitter, you'll see Google, and you'll see RSS. And what we've got to do is replace these out with the ones we actually want to put in there. So let's have a look. Facebook, Twitter will leave. He wanted to replace the Google one with Instagram. So if we look at this line here, 17 on this particular one, Where it says Google, don't clip off that underscore either side. There's an underscore. You just want to grab the word and we're going to type in Instagram. That will pull the ET icon for Instagram instead of the one for Google. Next line, list item class ET social icon. Again, we want to place that with Instagram. I'm just going to copy this and paste it. Again, don't clip off the dashes either side. Just get the word. There we go. Next one. Don't need to change this because this is pulling the actual URL. So when you put that URL in, it's just going to pull that. So don't need to change that one. Now, let's go down and do the RSS. Show RSS icon. Okay, well, let's change that to YouTube. Let's just copy that again. And let's go down. Don't need to change that because that's not referencing the icon. Or here. Here it is. Social icon, social RSS, YouTube. That's it. That's it. Because we only want to change the things that say really ET social icon. So once you've done that, click update file. And you'll get the file edited successfully message. It does take a few seconds. One caveat that I will mention here is that once we've done this, if you do a major update on your Divi site, it may revert back to how it was. So like I say, you can either take this and copy it and keep it somewhere and redo it if it does change back, or you can create a child theme. It's pretty easy to do. If you don't want to do it manually, you can just find a plugin, go to your plugins and type in child theme. And there's plenty of free ones out there that will do it for you. And if you create a child theme, this code won't get overwritten. So I just thought I'd mention that. So let's go back now. That's all saved. Let's have a look at our page. If I do an update, these and those should change. There we go. I got something wrong there. We've got our YouTube icon, but we have not got our Instagram icon. So let's have a look. See, Instagram. See here, ET Social Instagram Plus. That was Google Plus. So I need to get rid of the dash plus. Delete Instagram. ET Social Instagram. Okay, so let's update that. There we go. Now let's take another look. Let's refresh. And there we have it. We've got our Instagram icon up there now and that one. So I was talking while I was doing it and I forgot to delete the dash plus off Google Plus. That's easily remedied, as you can see. So let's go back and go back down to our theme options. So the Google is now Instagram and the RSS is now YouTube. Let's just put in a YouTube URL, make sure that's going to work for us. Just put in my YouTube channel URL, Facebook URL, Twitter URL, Instagram. You just got to remember that's now Instagram and this is now YouTube. Save our changes. And back to the site. Let's do a refresh. And let's click on that YouTube icon up there. Yep, taking it straight to my YouTube channel. Let's go back. Make sure the footer one's going to work. Yep, fantastic. Okay, well, there's how to change those default icons in the Divi theme. I hope you found that useful. Like I say, remember that they may revert once you do an update unless you create a child theme. So you can either copy that text file so it's quick to update it, or you can just create a child theme. So I hope you found that useful. Like I said, if you want to try out the Divi theme, there's an affiliate link below this video. You can take it for a test drive. If you're interested in web development, hey, have a look down there also. We've got some great free web development courses, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.